Greetings, everyone. Well, today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual Bible study lesson or Sunday school virtual lesson using PowerPoint and Zoom. Make sure that you have Zoom downloaded on your computer, and then make sure that you have your PowerPoint presentation located either on your desktop or in a folder. Let's begin. I'm going to start by sharing my screen. And once I share my screen, you're going to see several things. You're going to go to the section where you have three. There says Basic, Advanced, and Files. You're going to select the word that says Advanced, and then you're going to select Beta. So select that. Go to the bottom corner and select Share, and then look for your PowerPoint presentation. All right, so my PowerPoint presentation is here. It's the Genesis lesson, so I'm going to open that up. Now, as I open that up, as you can see, I am inside of my presentation. So you can simply read what you have, scriptures and stories. You're going to select this arrow here. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And you can use a story. You can use a read aloud. You can use scriptures. Only thing is this records in flat. It does not record video. It only records your PowerPoint presentation. How you can select the next slide, and the earth was without form and void. You can demonstrate by making sure that you're going to move this way or move this way, depending on what's going on with your presentation, what section, if you want to dramatize a certain or emphasize a certain word. Well, that's it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and please come back. Bye-bye.